Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 7. So let's get started. Now in order to restart it, you're going to locate the volume down and then this power or the side button. So we need to press and hold these two buttons, the volume down and this lock or the power button at the same time until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo appear. At that time, you'll let go of the buttons. So let's go ahead and do it. Volume down and the lock button at the same time. You're going to keep on pressing and holding, and a menu or this will go completely black. That's fine, and you're going to see the Apple logo appear as you're holding it down, and then you let go, and that's just going to restart your iPhone 7 quick and the easiest way. This also shuts down the phone software and reloads the code, basically forcing the phone to shut down and then reloading it, fixing any issues that you may be having. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your personal data, and if it doesn't work the first time, try it again. Again, all I did was the volume down and the side button, just like this. Hold it for about generally around 10 seconds or so, or until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appear. And you can do it as many times as you need to if you're looking to fix any problem with it or the phone is frozen, stuck, unresponsive. Go ahead and try it, and I hope after doing it, it fixes any issues that you're having and your phone is working like brand new again. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.